Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do my last Believe Beauty video and wanted to say that this works so much better with this kind of a brush. It didn't work right with the foundation brush they have. Even though this makes everything crease, I still wanted to put it to use, so I'm gonna take the Dahlia and put it on my lids. I have like 2 primers on my eye. I still think it's gonna crease, but so I'm going to use the 3 blue shades here because last time I used this, so this time I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna start off with that medium shade for the lid. This is seriously darker than what it looks like. Wow. Alright, let's try the darker one in the middle. Right there. These are intense. The only way that I know that this is a different color, it has a tiny bit of gold and it's just a tiny bit darker, but they look the same. Alright, let's go into this sky blue right here. This is freaking intense. Wow. Okay, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So on my lips I have Vintage Romance with Almost Rose liner, and I used Wink for the blush. I used this Pixie as the highlighter, and I used the Hawaiian Glow as my bronzer, or contour actually. And then I used the gray liner. So I have Slate as the liner. Oh, and I did put, because the colors were so dark and I really didn't feel like putting false lashes on today. I have something to do every day this week except today. So I kind of put this in the inner corners to brighten the eye a little bit, and I like that better. The other way just seems so dark. So yeah, so that's what I did, and that concludes my Dollar General Believe Beauty tutorials, because I got my Pac-Man in the mail. But more on that later.